Alright, I have spotted pregnant crayfish from there. That's the pregnant crayfish. So usually they like to go to this water, right? And this is the pregnant one. On his belly still some eggs, but yellow one. Yellow or here green. So it's new. So once they go to this water, you will see their eggs. So we can check if the eggs are fertile or whatnot. So here we go. That's the one. There's an egg on the belly, as you can see. Okay, so let's try to grab this crayfish. With the net, using the net. Here's the net. So okay, the pregnant crayfish went to the water. You can see the eggs on the belly here. Those are eggs. So this is the technique that you can see some pregnant crayfish will go to the water. So let's try to grab this pregnant crayfish here. That's the one. So let's see. They are backpedaling. Okay. So this is a pregnant crayfish. Okay. Let's check the center of it. If there's a sperm or a white spot at the center. Because if it has white spots, still develop, the eggs are still developing. But if it's none, meaning this female is ready. So it's difficult to get to check the white spot while I'm on this phone. But it's fine. So let's see. Let's try. Oh, sorry. My bad. Ray? Sige. Oo. Oo. Nay pregnant. Nay.
Pregnant ka sa tilapia?
Crayfish. Nay, bago pa. Dapat nanay white spot dia nga dia para ma-filter na fertile. Oh. Mana bukagon sila. Ibutang ni sa dito sa kuan. Nanis na butanganan. Dia sa kanang tank dia. Dito na ko sa kanang butang. Pwede naman ako niwan ana dito.
Alam mo, inainom mo tayo.
Ay gani? Oh, namatay gid ang kuy oh.
Kuy na kuna. Nakamatay siguro mo mag-aawayon mo eh. Duda ko ana ba?
Hindi ka to sa nawad ako oxygen
Dili.
pa.
Wala pa aawayon na. Gaaway na sila. Nao gaaway na sila.
Patay siya.
Dagko na kay tilapia diha mo no.
Dako na unta na siya.
Dagko dai ang anak-anak.
Na mga bros, na dili gitapok nako.
Itong anak ba?
Ah, mga anak.
Dagko na.
Ano dili?
Dara ka na?
Oh, kana. Kanay. Oh, kana.
Ara.
Napa eh? Pero dagko no.
Dagko na. Ganahan sila ngani mo eh.
Oo. Mura man lang ikaon?
Anong cool balik na wala?
Wala, kwaon siya manual. Nara dako na oh.
Ito na. Dagan no.
Mm.
Uli, no? Makabalo na sa mong kuan ba?
Tago. Oh.
Tago.
Dire, pare ni mga bros.
Asa?
Dire. Kana bros. Kanay.
Ano kana?
Oh.
Ang orange mo wala buros to?
Ah, na dito wala na ako pa na check.
Kasi nga buros to ba? Pero dako na si Moy.
Ha?
Wato ko dako.
Gadako.
Dako pag dito.
Ah, kuha na to aman to. Kaning mga
Pero di mo kasi dako kayo no?
dili pala ani.
Dako kayo. Sila sina sa kao na to.
Ornamental naman to, pang kuan, pang pet ba?
Duga rin ako, hindi ka dako kayo. Dugay na bitaw din, hindi ka dako.
Oo. Ah, sige. Oo. Alright, that's it. Crayfish is now on the tank. So there were 5 of them here. So let's try to see if there's another pregnant crayfish. So I did not acclimate the buried female. That's too risky because normally you will get a plastic tub like this, then make sure that from the outside temperature this crayfish will acclimate or get the same temperature, because there's a risk that the crayfish will drop the eggs. But it's fine. We just show you what's the technique. Okay, so let's try to spot some of the mother crayfish. If still they were going, normally they will go to the water, dropping water. right? That's the water came from the faucet. Okay, then it will drop. Then the crayfish will, normally their behavior is they go to the dropping water, even from there. And that's the time you will spot the mother crayfish if there's an egg on the belly. It is likely to got a lot of pregnant crayfish because I have a lot of male crayfish. So meaning this is the mass mating. There's a lot of female and males all together in this spot. So they normally find a pair and mate or bred. So what they will normally do is they will eat, then on the daytime they're not active. On nighttime, that's the time they will find their pair or mate. They mate. This is a mass mating. So it's easy to spot a mother crayfish once the water is dropping. Just look for a female that flipping its tail. Right? So I hope you got the idea on spotting the mother crayfish, or how to check if there's a pregnant female, that you can easily spot them. I just cleaned the water for me to check if there's some buried females. I got 2 of them, but a small female, so I'm not expecting a lot when the female is too small, like 3 inches. The best or the maturity should be like this size, 4 inches. So this is the female. It doesn't have any red claw. There's a red spot on the claw, but if it doesn't have, that means it's a female. Like this, there's a spot on the red spot on the claw, that's a male. So let's try to wait. If there's another female, we'll go to this spot and then catch that female. That's a big male. Breeding crayfish needs also to have a pair. So like this male, it should pair on the same size female, like that one. That's a female. So the size of that female around 4 to 5 or 5.5 inches. Alright, see you in the next video.